Once you've clicked Create, you'll be taken to the Campaign Details page. The 5 icons at the top allow you to modify campaign settings, campaign content, placement of your MOBIBO triggers, your campaign budget, and a final review and submission. The first section you are working in is Campaign Settings. If you need to know what a particular field does, roll your mouse over the blue question marks to find out more information. The name you selected when you created the campaign will be pre-populated into the campaign nickname field. You can select an alternate campaign name at any time during the setup. The next fields are the campaign start and end dates. Clicking on either will bring up a calendar to select the date. The campaign start date selects the day on which you want your campaign to launch, while the campaign end date will be the last day on which your campaign will run. You can select individual weekdays on which you want your campaign delivered. For example, if your company tends to do more business over the weekend, you can select Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to run your campaign. By default, each day of the week is selected. The time range allows you to set the hours of the day that you will want your campaign active. For example, if you want your campaign to generate traffic during rush hour, you can set your campaign to run from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., and then add an additional time range to run from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Times are selected by simply clicking and dragging the slide bars to the desired beginning and end times. You can select multiple time ranges for your campaigns to trigger. To remove a time range, simply click the red X at the right side of the time and confirm the deletion. The time range will be removed and your campaign will be auto-saved. By default, the campaign will be running 24 hours a day. At any time, you can return your campaign settings to modify the dates and times for your campaigns. Once you've entered all the date and time details, select the Next button or choose the MOBIBO Content button at the top of the screen.